In the last lecture, we discussed till question number 8. We need to discuss from question number 9. Which of the following is wrong?
Option C.
A जो है वो सही है.
Yes.
Give me 2 minutes. It got disconnected. If nothing is mentioned about the temperature, then always do the rearrangement and then have the final product. If they are separately mentioning that it has low temperature or room temperature, then don't do the rearrangement. Okay. So in that case, binary rearrangement, okay, this will be the major product. Some of the carbocations can be arranged to form this as the product, but the major product is this. So option C is the wrong. Okay. Okay. ये direct है. What is the
Option A.
option A? Yeah, option A. 1 2 1 2. Okay. If I want to convert this into N-propyl benzene, तब क्या करना पड़ेगा? I want to convert this into N-propyl benzene. Reduction. You can either do Clevenson reduction or Wolff-Kishner reduction. Okay, good. For preparing monoalkyl benzene, acylation process is than direct alkylation because. Answer?
Option C.
Option C. In alkylation, polyalkylated product is formed. In which of the following reaction tertiary butyl benzene is formed?
All of
All of
them. यहाँ पे आपको tertiary butyl carbocation मिलेगा. यहाँ पे भी BF3HF H positive जो है इसको ऐड करने के बाद F minus जो है it will be reacting with BF3 to form BF4 minus. Okay, so that F minus won't be attacking on this particular alkene carbocation. Or you can also maintain low temperature. Low temperature पे भी वो F minus जाके उसके ऊपर लगेगा नहीं. You won't be forming alkyl fluoride. So you will be having the carbocation that will be attacking on the benzene. Tertiary butyl alcohol. So the tertiary butyl alcohol में OH जो है, it will be protonated by H positive, making the poor leaving group OH into a good leaving group H2O, which will lead to the formation of carbocation again. So answer is all of this. Good. 13th में ये reagent जो है पहला reagent, it should not be AlCl3. It has to be HF or something like that. HF at low temperature. AlCl3 के साथ तो reaction नहीं होगा. It has to be HF at low temperature. This can be AlCl3. This can be AlCl3. Then the answer become all of this. Okay,
Sir.
any doubt anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Question number 14. Question number 14. SnCl4 is can also act as Lewis acid catalyst. So ऑप्शन के ऊपर जो लोन पेयर है, it can be given into empty orbitals of Sn. So ये हटाने के बाद यहाँ पे आपको कार्बोकैटायन मिलेगा. What is the answer? Whenever you are having questions like this, यहाँ पे positive charge मिलेगा. This positive charge will act as carbocation now, or the electrophile. This electrophile will attach on this carbon, which will lead to the formation of a 6-membered ring. 6-membered rings are stable, hence this particular reaction is going to happen. This will not attack on another benzene ring to form this. ये नहीं होगा. This will attack on the same benzene ring to form a bicyclo compound. दो rings है ना? Okay, and this will be attaching on here to form a 6-membered ring. So the answer is option A. Any doubt, anyone?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, Ayush.
sir, SnCl for Lewis acid कैसे?
Ayush, please put your video on. SnCl14 के अंदर you will be having empty d orbitals because it is having the shell is Sn belongs to which family? Carbon family, na?
हाँ sir.
हाँ. So its outermost shell has d orbitals, f orbitals बहुत सारे हैं.
Yes sir. सर वो वीडियो के लिए मोबाइल हॉटस्पॉट से कनेक्ट किया है तो कल वो फिजिक्स के लेक्चर के लिए डेटा खत्म हो गया.
Okay, okay, ठीक है, ठीक. Answer for this question number 15.
Option A.
Option A is the right answer. सबसे पहले let us try to understand some things. An aromatic compound A gives AgCl on boiling with alcoholic AgNO3 solution. AgCl जो है, it is a precipitate. First of all, it is white precipitate. AgCl is white PPT. If you are adding alcoholic AgNO3, इस solution के अंदर से you will get Ag positive and NO3 minus. If you want to form AgCl, in the solution you need to have Cl minus. Then only that Cl minus will combine with Ag positive to form AgCl. Okay, so Cl minus should be evolved from the given substrate, and it yields some C7H7OCl on treatment with sodium hydroxide. Okay, it is reacting with sodium hydroxide. A on oxidation gives a monochlorobenzoic acid, which affords only one mononitro derivative. The compound A is. सबसे पहले, if you are having benzene compounds, this particular hydrogen is called as benzyl hydrogen. So whenever you have benzyl hydrogen, if you have at least one benzyl hydrogen, remaining of the part can be anything. If you have at least one benzyl hydrogen, convert the entire part into COH upon oxidation. Everyone, we will understand or we will read this reaction later. Abhi ke liye, very important reaction. Whenever you have benzyl hydrogen, this particular carbon is benzyl carbon. उसके ऊपर hydrogen जो भी रहेगा, it is called as benzyl hydrogen. If you see at least one benzyl hydrogen, no matter how complex the substituent is, यहाँ पे hydrogen रह के, it can be attached to anything, R dash, upon addition of KMnO4. KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. The entire thing converts into COH. You should not be worried about what is happening to this R and R dash, not required. हमको इतना ही जरूरत है. This part will be converting into COH. Is that clear? Okay, they're saying that AN oxidation gives a monochlorobenzoic acid. If I'm doing oxidation of this will be converting into COH. यहाँ पे chlorine रहेगा, so it is a monochlorobenzoic acid. इसका भी मैं कर रहा हूँ तो Cl यहाँ पे रहेगा, this will convert into COH. This will also be monochlorobenzoic acid. यहाँ पे Cl होगा COH monochlorobenzoic acid. Here you will be getting entire thing as COH. You don't have any chlorine. So सबसे पहले with the last statement I can eliminate this option. Clear? Okay. उसके बाद that affords only one mononitro derivative. Only one mononitro derivative. If I'm having this as COH and this as Cl, कहाँ नाइट्रो जाके लग सकता है? COH being a meta director, यहाँ पे मतलब in general we will try to see all the products which will be the major, we will judge it later. यहाँ पे होगा, यहाँ पे हो सकता है. This is also a different position. This is also a different position. Agreed? So you can have 4 possible derivatives of it, but they are saying only one. Any doubt, anyone? In this case, COH यहाँ पे Cl, और जो नाइट्रो जो है यहाँ पे जाके लग सकता है, यहाँ पे लग सकता है. Even in this case, you have 4 different products. Agreed? If you are having this COH, यहाँ पे Cl, यहाँ पे लग सकता है. ओके, यहाँ पे भी लग सकता है, दोनों हो सकता है, everyone. But I think they are referring to the major product. AN oxidation gives a monochlorobenzoic acid which affords only one mononitro derivative. So they are referring to the major product only, everyone. क्योंकि आपको this will be the major, because always we need to attach the incoming electrophile with respect to the activating group, or you need to attach it with respect to the less deactivating group. Cl जो है it deactivates using -I, COH जो है it deactivates using -M. So this is deactivating more and this Cl is deactivating lesser. Okay, so with respect to this, okay, Cl is ortho para director. So para जो है para position पे already you are having COH, so I need to attach it at this position, and with respect to COH ये मेटा भी हुआ, ये ऑर्थो para director है, so यहाँ पे ऑर्थो हुआ, यहाँ पे मेटा भी हुआ, so this will be the only product, or that will be the major product. 99.99% वही बनेगा. Okay, any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे क्या होगा? In this case, the major products can be, this is at ortho and this is at para, दोनों बन सकता है. Okay, again this is at ortho, this is at para, and with respect to this is at meta. ये दोनों बनेगा. This will be the major one because this will be the major one because of steric hindrance. But यहाँ पे भी बन सकता है. Is that clear? Okay. उसके बाद ये देखना, it is able to give you AgCl. AgCl किस वजह से आया होगा? This Cl can be removed because this will lead to the formation of benzyl carbocation. This Cl cannot be removed. If I am removing this Cl, I will be forming a phenyl carbocation. Phenyl carbocation is highly unstable. So the reason for the formation of AgCl precipitate is because of removal of this Cl, not this, not any of these Cl. The Cl that is attached to the carbon or the benzyl carbon can be removed because it will lead to the formation of benzyl carbocation, which is relatively stable. Is that clear? Everyone, any doubt? Okay. मेटाब्रोमोटोलुइन. मेटाब्रोमोटोलुइन मतलब आपको क्या हो गया?
Sweet syndrome.
CH3 और यहाँ पे ब्रोमीन. Metabromotoluene is prepared by bromination of toluene. Can this happen? If you do direct bromination of toluene, will you get
No, sir.
metabromotoluene as major product? No, right? Because CH3 जो है it is ortho para director, so यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे लगेगा, मेटा पे नहीं लगेगा. Any doubt?
No,
Okay,
sir.
next. Fidelcraft's reaction of bromobenzene with CH3Cl. उसके साथ भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि Br is also ortho para director. If you are adding CH3Cl, यहाँ पे लग सकता है या उसके पैरा पोर्शन पे लग सकता है. Again मेटा पे तो जाके नहीं लगेगा. Any doubt? Okay. Bromination of nitrobenzene and subsequent reduction of NO2 group. If you are doing bromination of nitrobenzene, okay, देख कर सकते हैं, definitely कर सकते हैं. Nitrobenzene is NO2. इसका ब्रोमिनेशन किया तो डेफिनेटली मेटा पे जाके लगेगा. इसका रिडक्शन करने से हमको दिस विल कन्वर्ट इनटू व्हिच ग्रुप? एनीवन?
NH2.
NH2. रिडक्शन मतलब क्या? Removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. So I will be converting this into NH2. I am not getting metabromotoluene नहीं बन रहा है ना. Okay, so option C भी नहीं होगा. Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Bromination of acetoperatoluidine followed by hydrolysis and deamination. Okay, ये सारा reactions हमने पढ़ा नहीं है. So based on the options, you can definitely write the answer as D. एक बार reactions देखते हैं. Can anyone tell me what is acetoperatoluidine? आप लोग कल गूगल तो किया होगा एटलीस्ट.
NHC double bond OCH.
And they are using some parana.
Para पे शेष.
नहीं ऑर्थो पे ना.
para पे CH3. ये है क्या? Is this right?
Yes.
Okay. इसको क्या करना है? Bromination of okay acetoperatoluidine followed by hydrolysis and then deamination. मतलब क्या है पहले देखते हैं. पहले इसका ब्रोमिनेशन करते हैं. If I am adding Br2 in the presence of Fe, this is activating group. NHC double bond of CH3, it is activating because of resonance. CH3 is also activating group, it is activating because of hyperconjugation. Out of these two, which is more activating?
NH.
NH.
This amide part, NHC double bond of CH3. So with respect to this, you need to attach the incoming electrophile or the para. ये ortho हुआ, ये para हुआ, para already blocked with CH3. So you will be attaching the incoming bromine here. Agreed? Now do the hydrolysis, followed by hydrolysis. What is this? Can I say this as carboxylic acid derivative? Because this is an amide. C double bond O NH, it is an amide. Any carboxylic acid derivative upon hydrolysis, what will you get? इसके बारे में एक बार पढ़ा हमने. You will get carboxylic acid. So यहाँ पे आपको OH अटैच करना है, यहाँ पे आपको हाइड्रोजन अटैच करना है. Okay. So you will get NH2 here You already have Br here. You are having CS3. Deamination. Amination matlab addition of amine group. Deamination matlab removal of amine group. So you can remove this NH2. Deamination के लिए reagent है. You need to use HNO2 in the first step, and in the second step you need to use H3PO2. Then you will be removing that NH2 group and उसके place में hydrogen आएगा. You will be understanding this reaction later. Very important reaction. Diazonium reaction बोलते हैं इसको. Very, very important. We will understand this later. Just understand what they are giving here. पहले bromination इसका करके hydrolysis करके deamination मतलब removal of NH2. उतना ही सोचो अभी के लिए. If I'm removing this NH2, I will be left with metabromotoluene. Any doubt?
Sure.
Okay, these reactions आप लोग को अभी पता नहीं है, so don't worry. You should be able to understand metabromotoluene cannot be formed from options A, B, and C. Is that clear?
Sure.
Okay. In reactions को ये वाला इसको देख लेना. This is called as acetoparatoluidine. Okay, next. C6H6 is reacting with something to form C6H5, C double bond O, and H2. What can be A? Answer? Am I audible? Seventeenth का answer.
Option B.
Option B, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
आपके पास C double bond O and H2 है, and this is Cl. You need to add AlCl3. This along with AlCl3 भी देना चाहिए. Then only you can generate that particular electrophile. Cl के ऊपर जो lone pair है, it can be given here, and you can produce that particular electrophile which will attack on the benzene ring to form the required compound. मिल जाएगा. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Answer, 18th answer. Answer. Eighteenth का answer.
Sir, ethyl benzene.
Ethyl benzene. बाकी लोग किया नहीं क्या? C6H5 पहले ये मिलेगा using Friedel-Crafts acylation. Then you are doing Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. In Clemmensen reduction, you need to convert the aldehyde or the ketone part into alkane, CH2, CH3. So the product formed is ethyl benzene. Okay. A mixture of following 4 aromatic compounds on oxidation by strong oxidizing agent gives. Answer. अभी आपको कहा मैंने. If you see option C, if you see at least one benzyl hydrogen, no matter how complex the substituent is, always convert the entire substituent into COH. यहाँ पे आपको benzyl hydrogen है, यहाँ पे भी आपको benzyl hydrogen है ना, CH2CH3 है, benzyl hydrogen है, यहाँ पे भी एक hydrogen है. So convert everything into COH. So the answer is only C6H plus COH, which is benzoic acid. Any doubt? Okay, very good. This particular compound, very important. We will be seeing about this compound in polymers. This is called as styrene. Remember, very important compound in polymers. This is called as styrene. उसके ऊपर you are adding KMnO4 and you are adding Br2. You need to tell me the products. KMnO4 के साथ क्या होगा? Can you see a benzyl hydrogen? Or else you can do the usual reaction. The usual reaction is you need to break both the bonds. OH लगाएंगे. First you will be forming benzaldehyde. That benzaldehyde will further convert into benzoic acid.
benzoic acid.
Okay. Br2 के साथ क्या मिलेगा? You are remember here, you are only adding Br2. It is not Br2 in the presence of Fe. Okay, or it is not Br2 in the presence of AlCl3. So you need to attach this Br2 onto the alkene part. Don't attach the Br2 on the benzene part, everyone. So the answer is going to be
Option D. Option D.
dibromide. Styrene से मिला है, and it is called as styrene dibromide. And what is the nature of addition of Br2 on alkene? Syn addition or anti addition?
Anti.
Anti.
Anti addition. Good. So you will get CH, यहाँ पे CH2Br होगा and यहाँ पे Br होगा. You can also और specific होना है तो this particular carbon is chiral. Agreed? And ये जो CH double bond CH2, this carbon is sp2. If it is sp2, it will be trigonal planar. If it is a planar molecule, on the planar molecule, the Br can be attached can be attacking from the top side, or it can be attacking from the bottom side. दोनों हो सकता है with equal probability. Everyone. So the product formed will be a racemic mixture. You can also say you will have styrene dibromide as racemic mixture. This type of analysis is important for JEE students. For NEET, you just need to understand styrene dibromide मिलेगा और benzoic acid मिलेगा. For JEE, further आपको ये वाला carbon chiral है ना, so this will be this particular compound going to be a racemic mixture. Any doubt? What is the reason for formation of racemic mixture? This is an sp2 hybridized carbon, which is a planar molecule. On the planar molecule, the Br can attack from the top side as well as from the bottom side with equal probability. Hence, you are getting a racemic mixture. Everyone, is this clear?
Yes.
So the answer is D. Question 21, same question is given in your test. The number of benzylic hydrogen atoms in ethyl benzene. Answer?
2.
It is 2, not 5. Okay. Benzyl hydrogen मतलब benzene से directly attached carbon, उसके ऊपर hydrogen. Okay. Benzene on reaction with A forms so and so, which on reaction with B forms so and so. What are A and B?
Option D.
Option D.
Option D. Agreed? पहले ये react करने से Prelkraft acylation होगा, followed by Clemmensen reduction to form this. LiLH4, NaBH4, ये reagents भी important है, but ये लोग क्या करेंगे बाद में देखते हैं. With these reagents, you will be converting this into alcohol. We will be seeing that in the other chapters. These reagents are also very important. But अभी के लिए हमको already reagent पता है ना क्या करना है. So option D. Reaction of toluene with HO and Cl. Yeah. Answer? CO plus HCl. So CO plus HCl react, okay. First you will be forming this compound. HC double bond of Cl. This one reaction with the AlCl3. What will you get? HC double bond of positive and you are reacting this with toluene, ortho para directed है वो, so you will be forming HC double bond of positive इसके ऊपर react किया तो para will be the major product because of steric hindrance.
So,
This will be the product. Answer क्या है?
option B.
Para-tolualdehyde. Okay. Which is called as para-tolualdehyde. नाम है उसका common name. You can say paramethyl benzaldehyde बोल सकते हो आप लोग. Paramethyl benzaldehyde, but its common name is para-tolualdehyde. Any doubt? 23. B. Option B. It is not benzyl chloride, benzoyl chloride नहीं है, para-chlorotoluene नहीं है. So the answer is option B. You need to remember this. CO plus HCl react okay. You will be getting HCOCl, which on reaction with AlCl3 you will be forming HC double bond of positive. Which of the following structure corresponds to the product expected when excess of C6H6 reacts with CS2Cl2 in presence of AlCl3? Answer
Option D.
option D. पहले क्या होगा? First you will be forming CH2Cl. ये मिलेगा. This again on reaction with AlCl3 you will be forming a carbocation. इसको हटा दो, दूसरा Cl को, you will be forming a carbocation. This will again react with another benzene. इसके ऊपर जाके अटैक कर लेगा, you will be forming diphenyl methane. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Anyone? Okay. This is about exercise 3. Exercise 1 हो गया आपका. Are you finding aromatic compounds? Okay. Okay. Only one option is correct. Most steadily sulfonated. I think some of these questions are given in your test also. Most steadily sulfonated. Answer? Option C.
Toluene.
Toluene. Option C. Nitrobenzene. Nitro is electron withdrawing group. What is the order of sulfonation? Answer? Order of sulfonation. C greater than?
A greater
A
than
greater
B
than D greater than.
B.
B greater than B. Very good. The presence of which one of the following groups on benzene nucleus activates it towards electrophilic substitution? Answer?
Option D.
Option D. क्योंकि this is attached to oxygen which has a lone pair on it, so electron releasing होगा. Which species will undergo electrophilic substitution most easily? Answer?
Option C.
Option C है because इसमें resonance जो है it is because of 2p2p. This is because of 2p and 3p. 2p2p is better when compared to 2p3p. The activities of benzene, aniline, nitrobenzene and toluene. सबसे ज़्यादा aniline. Option D, aniline, then toluene, then benzene, then nitrobenzene. Okay. Yeah, this question. Which of the following is electrophilic substitution reaction? A जो है, is that electrophilic substitution reaction?
Answer.
Can you draw the structure of that N2Cl? C6H5 N2Cl. यहाँ पे देखो CuCl मतलब ब्रेक कैसे होगा? Cu पॉजिटिव Cl माइनस. सो Cl इसके ऊपर जाके लगा मतलब Cl माइनस जाके लगा होगा. So definitely which is not an electrophile. एक बार ये देख लेते हैं. N2 मतलब you have N, you have another N, triple bond N. If nitrogen is forming 4 bonds, उसके ऊपर क्या आना चाहिए? पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए. This is along with Cl minus. This is a salt. This particular salt is only called as diazonium salt. Diazonium salts are very important set of compounds. Diazonium salt. इसके ऊपर मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I am adding CuCl, which is giving me Cl minus again. This Cl minus is reacting with this particular carbon. In the process, this is acting as leaving group because N2 is very good leaving group. N2 is the most stable diatomic gas. Hence, its percentage in atmosphere is 71%. Okay. It is most stable diatomic gas. Hence, it is very good leaving group. This will be leaving along with both the electrons of this bond. So, ये दो electrons इसके साथ चला गया तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज चला जाएगा, N2 बन जाएगा. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज जो आएगा, it is combining with Cl minus to form C6H5Cl. Understood, everyone? So this is not an electrophilic substitution. I can call this as nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophile है ना, Cl minus मतलब negatively charged one nucleophile. So which is not an electrophile. This is nucleophile. Hence it is nucleophilic substitution. So answer 1 नहीं होगा. समझा? Next, Br2H2O. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. Br positive यहाँ पे लगा. Even in this case, you will be forming Br positive. Br2Fe देखा हमने. Br2H2O के साथ last lecture में मैं आपको बताया. Br2 with carbon disulfide, you will be having only replacement at ortho or para. But with Br2H2O, all the ortho and para portions are replaced by Br. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Br2 plus H2O, ऐसा आप लोग सोच सकते हो. They both combine to form BrOH. Out of Br and oxygen, which is more electronegative?
Oxygen.
So this breaks as Br positive and OH minus. So the formed Br positive will be attacking at all the positions to form 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So this is an electrophilic substitution reaction. ये तो obvious है electrophilic substitution. This is also electrophilic substitution. What is the electrophile in this case? It is halonium ion Cl positive. What is the electrophile in this case? It is NO2 positive. Okay, so the answer is
B.
Option B. Any doubt? Okay, sixth question. Which of the following species is expected to have maximum enthalpy in an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction? Maximum enthalpy का मतलब क्या है? Maximum heat energy or maximum energy. Which particular intermediate is going to have maximum energy? That is the question. यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैच होके ये बना. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैच हो जाने के बाद वो जो भी का अरेनियम आयन मिलता है उसका रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड है ये. उसके बाद there is slowly removal of hydrogen to regain the aromaticity and finally you got this. What is the rate determining step?
Formation of
arenaceous ion or the attack of the electrophile. That is the rate determining step. So this particular step will be the slow step. It will be slow step because this intermediate that is going to be formed is having the highest energy. Okay, मतलब stable से unstable बन रहा है. Hence this will be a slow step. Or in order to form a stable species, I need to have more and more energy. मतलब इसके लिए एनर्जी जो है, हीट कंटेंट जो है सबसे हाईएस्ट रहेगा. आ रहा है समझ में एवरीवन? एक बार ये बनने के बाद इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैच होने के बाद जो भी कार्बोकैटायन मिलेगा अरेनियम आयन वो रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइज्ड हो रहा है. सो इसके कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा स्टेबल ही है. The second step is not the rate determining step because you are easily removing that particular hydrogen and you are forming the benzene. Unstable से stable बना रहे हैं, so ये जल्दी हो जाएगा. So this will be having the lowest amount of energy. Okay, among these four. इसका और इसका एनर्जी में कंपैरिजन हम करने के लिए और भी फैक्टर्स लगेंगे. आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग दीस टू, बट दिस विल बी हैविंग द हाईएस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. एनी डाउट?
नो सर.
सो स्पीशीज 2 होगा हाईएस्ट एनर्जी. ऑप्शन ए.
Yes.
Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Electrophile NO2 positive attacks the following aromatic species. In which cases NO2 positive will get metaposition? Answer?
ऑप्शन बी.
Option B. 1, 2 and 3. ये withdrawing है, minus I है. ये भी withdrawing है, minus M है. ये भी withdrawing है, minus I है. So B. 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following aromatic compound will undergo nitration most easily? Answer, please. Answer.
A.
ए.
Option A. Because it has hyperconjugation and you have 3 alpha H. यहाँ पे आपको 9 alpha H. यहाँ पे आपको 2 alpha H है. So answer is A. Any doubt? Meta directing group. Answer.
CO.
Option A. 10th. Reactivity towards ES. Answer.
4132.
4132. Option D. Easy है ना? Okay. Cinnamic acid, which is 3-phenyl propanoic acid. This is propanoic acid. यहाँ पे आपको बेंजीन रिंग है और द फिनाइल ग्रुप. This is cinnamic acid. Any doubt? Okay. Cinnamic acid करके एक है और cinnamaldehyde करके एक है. Cinnamaldehyde मतलब convert this into CHO. If you convert this into CHO, that is called as cinnamaldehyde. If this is COH, it is called as cinnamic acid. Important है. Remember this compound. यहाँ पे आपको दिया है, but in general आपको final exams में देंगे नहीं. Remember this compound, everyone. Is nitrated, the incoming electrophile NO2 positive goes at. Answer.
Both ortho and
Orphan pair.
Both ortho and para. Both ortho and para. मेटा नहीं है क्या? Is the answer not meta? ये multiple bond electronegative atom है ना, so it will try to pull the electrons towards itself. So if this is pulling, ये यहाँ से pull करेंगे ना.
Yes, sir.
Ortho para. 11th ortho para दिया क्या आंसर?
नहीं, मेटा ही.
11th.
बना दिया है.
ortho para दिया है. This can definitely give the electrons. दे तो सकता है, but then this will be achieving a positive charge. This is an electron withdrawing group. but it withdraws electrons with inductive effect only. Maybe the stability provided because of this can be greater. एक बार मैं check करता हूँ. मेरा confusion आपको समझ में आया? This is a multiple bond electronegative atom. This tries to pulls electrons. If this pulls electrons, यहाँ पे positive आएगा. Then this will also try to pull electrons. I will check for this. Okay. अभी के लिए आप लोग both orthopara ही लिखो, क्योंकि इसको यहाँ पे लेके आया तो यहाँ पे positive रहेगा, which is getting destabilized only by inductive effect. I will cross check. Okay. Question number 12. Would furnish 3 isomeric compounds when one more substituent is introduced. 3 isomeric compounds. यहाँ पे कितने मिलेंगे? यहाँ पे अटैच कर सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे भी अटैच कर सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे भी अटैच कर सकता हूँ. Considering all possible products. Okay. In this case, यहाँ पे लगा सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे लगा सकता हूँ. 2 ही हुआ. यहाँ पे लगा सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे लगा सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे लगा सकता हूँ. 3 हुआ. There is only 1. So answer is
Option D.
option D. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Which of the following will undergo meta substitution on monochlorination? Meta. Ethyl benzoate. Ethyl benzoate मतलब क्या होगा? If you take benzoic acid, C double bond O OH. Ethyl benzoate मतलब यहाँ पे C2H5. Okay, this is ethyl benzoate. This is multiple bond electronegative atom, full electron. यहाँ पे आपको मेटा सब्स्टिट्यूशन होगा. इथॉक्सी बेंजीन मतलब यहाँ पे OC2H5. This is ethoxy benzene. Ethoxy, alkoxy. Okay, OR is called as alkoxy. So this is an electron releasing group. Orthopara. Phenol आपको पता है, chlorobenzene आपको पता है. Halogens, even though they are deactivating groups, they are orthopara directors. The following groups, when attached to benzene, increase the electron density of the benzene, in which case the electron density is maximum. Answer?
NH.
Answer?
NH.
NH2. NH2. उसके बाद
CH.
CH2.
उसके बाद OH, because resonance के साथ हो रहे हैं ना. B greater than A greater than C. D आपको लगाना ही नहीं चाहिए because it will not increase the electron density. यहाँ पे गलत दिया है. The following groups when attached to benzene increase the electron density of benzene. D won't increase the electron density. If it increases, हम इसको activating group में मान सकते थे. But it is a deactivating group because its minus I is more dominating than plus I. So D जो है, it is not increasing electron density, it is decreasing. So B A C. इसमें ही कंपेयर करेंगे B A और C में. Which of the following triad of group activates the benzene ring and directs the incoming electrophile to ortho and para position for substitution?
Option B.
Option B.
Any doubt? समझ में आ रहे हैं को ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्ट देखते ही ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टर और मेटा डायरेक्टर इजी है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. A particular form of tribromobenzene melts at 44 degrees on nitration. It forms one possible mononitro tribromobenzene. Okay. The structure of compound A is. यहाँ पे तो एक ही बन सकता है definitely. इधर वहाँ पे वहाँ पे वहाँ पे. And in this case, you can have the product here. You can also have a substitution here. You can also have a small amount of substitution here also. 3 मिल रहे हैं ना? यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे हो सकता है, यहाँ पे हो सकता है. So answer is only A. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. ये जो 5 है वो C6H5 करके कहा, reactivity towards electrophilic substitution. Answer 1 2 3 4.
Yes.
3 alpha H, 2 alpha H, 1 alpha H, no alpha H. Option A. Question 18. Halogen shows overall deactivation effect for electrophilic aromatic substitution because.
Option B.
Any doubt? Okay. How many pi electrons? 6
Six.
होंगे. These are also considered as 2 pi electrons because upon resonance they are converted into a pi bond. The number of this is, I think it is pi electrons. Naphthalene. What is naphthalene? 2 benzene rings fused together. कितने electrons रहता है आपको? Only 10, right?
10.
As a
N.
resonance energy per ring decreases. Okay, or else it is less aromatic when compared to normal benzene. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Answer please.
B.
4.
1 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than 4. Good. Option B. I think same question I have given in exam also. Answer कितना है इसका?
4.
1
Four.
you can CH2Cl. उसके बाद आप लोग CH3 लगा के you can have the attachments at here, this and this. Total कितना हुआ? 4 ही हुआ ना? So the answer is 4. इसका 5 आया ना कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
CH2OH है. Then you can also have OCH3. You can also have यहाँ पे CH3 लगा के you can have the OH here, here and here. Apart from this, any other compound? Maximum आपको 5 ही option में है, so 5. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Reaction of SO3 is easier in.
Toluene.
Order बता देना. B greater than.
A
A greater than, B greater
B
than.
greater than.
Very good. Which of the following is strongest ortho-para director?
OH.
OH होगा.
OH.
Option आंसर बता देना options में. A greater than. A greater than.
B.
B greater than.
C greater.
C greater than D better लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि in D if we are giving electrons, the aromaticity of the benzene ring will be lost. You can give electrons, but upon giving the electrons, aromaticity lose हो जाएगा ना. Br में you are having the overlap between 2p and 4p. 2p 4p तो poor है, but D में aromaticity lose हो रहे हैं. Because of that, I am giving C greater than D, A greater than, B greater than, C greater than D. ठीक है. Overall ठीक है, समझ में आया ना कुछ तो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Highest yield of meta product is possible. In which case? Highest yield of meta product. Answer.
Option D.
Option D होगा. A वाला कार्बन है and इसके ऊपर आप लोग क्या अटैच कर रहे हैं? C double bond O C2H5 withdrawing. C double bond O C2H5 again withdrawing. C double bond O C2H5 withdrawing. So both are the withdrawing groups attached. So meta product will be the highest. Okay. 27. Not an aromatic compound.
Option B.
Option B.
Option B.
Option B.
इसमें आपको लोग पे this is tropylium. Okay. 28.
Option D.
Fluorination at fastest rate. Option D. D ही दिया क्या?
Yes.
Okay. Me CS3O electron releasing group भी हुआ ना? Plus I भी will be having highest amount. Any doubt? यहाँ पे रेजोनेंस तो यही है, यहाँ पे भी रेजोनेंस है, उसके साथ साथ इनका प्लस साइड भी ज्यादा रहेंगे. CS3 is a plus I group, right? So based on that reason, option D. Yeah, I think 29th आपको same question दिया है. Answer metaxylene, because if both the CS3s are meta to each other, they won't be opposing the hyperconjugation effect of each other. दोनों का hyperconjugation effect effectively लगेगा and उनका electron density highest बढ़ेगा. I hope that reason is clear. If you have any doubt, ask me anyone. Which of the following carbocations is expected to be most stable?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. The attack should be at ortho or para. Okay. Any doubt?
उधर इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होगा तो वो सबसे अनस्टेबल.
इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप रहा तो ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा. तब मेटा पे अटैक होना चाहिए ना तब. ओके. Question number 31. Only one isomer of Y is formed. Hence X is para होगा. Only one isomer of Y is formed, so X has to be para. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. End of aromatic compounds worksheet. In last lecture, I think we have revised till alkanes part. I think we need to discuss from alkenes part. Anyone start with preparation methods of alkenes? Anyone? Can you see my screen? Do you have test this Sunday? I don't think you have any test this Sunday. We will be having test from next Sunday. अभी कुछ पोस्ट तो नहीं किया ना? Okay, we will be having test next Sunday. Next Sunday अगर test रहा तो portion will be chemical kinetics along with this organic जितना भी हमने cover किया है. I'll post again another worksheet on hydrocarbons today. Yeah. Physical state. Again, alkenes are also essentially non-polar. So the only interactions you have are van der Waals forces or London dispersion forces. With the increasing molecular weight and with the increasing number of carbons, the van der Waals forces are going to increase. and the state will change from gas to liquid to solids. So lower alkenes are gases, mid alkenes are liquids, higher alkenes are solids. Boiling point, as the branching increases, boiling point decreases, and they are soluble in non-polar solvents. Preparation methods alkenes में हमने बहुत देखा है. From alkynes using Lindlar's catalyst, which is pelletized carbon or pelletized BSO4 sulfur or with quinoline. The process involves, the mechanism involves adsorption. Hence, both the hydrogens will be attached on the same side, leading to formation of cis alkene. If you are using Birch reduction, give me 2 minutes. In case of Birch reduction, I want to convey one important point. I think I already stated this, I don't remember. If you are having a terminal alkyne with sodium in liquid NH3, it will be liberating hydrogen gas and it will be forming R, C, triple bond, C minus and Na positive. ये मिलता है rather than formation of alkene. Reason is terminal alkene के अंदर you have acidic hydrogen. Any acidic compound upon addition of metal, it will always liberate hydrogen gas, right? Everyone. Or else you are having liquid NH3, which is a base. Terminal alkene में H positive जो है, which is an acid, will be having an acid-base reaction. So you won't be getting alkenes if you are having a terminal alkyne. Terminal alkyne के साथ Birch reduction नहीं होगा, everyone. Only with mid alkynes, or if it is not a terminal alkyne, you will be doing Birch reduction. Okay, is this clear? Then from alkyl halides, we will understand the mechanism of this particular reaction after the chemical kinetics chapter. Very important. अभी के लिए what we are doing is, the reaction is called as elimination. You are eliminating two parts. You are eliminating a hydrogen group and you are eliminating a halogen group. Upon elimination, you will be forming a pi bond. क्योंकि elimination में आपको हो क्या रहा है, इस कार्बन को एक बॉन्ड का नुकसान हो रहा है. Hence, you are forming a bond between these two carbons. Substitution में होता क्या है, you will be replacing this with another group. So एक bond का नुकसान हुआ और एक bond का फायदा हुआ. Ending में there is no change for the carbon. In case of elimination, you are eliminating groups. Elimination will always lead to the formation of unsaturation, alkene or alkyne. Okay. The reagent for elimination is alcoholic KOH. The elimination is also called as beta elimination because you are removing the beta hydrogen. Always in elimination, you will be forming a pi bond between alpha and beta carbons. Is that clear? Sometimes there can be possibility for the formation of more than two different types of alkenes. In that case, the alkene which is going to be more stable, which is the most substituted alkene, that will be the major product. यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे भी बीटा हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे भी बीटा हाइड्रोजन है. If I am removing this, I will be forming this. If I am removing this, I will be forming this alkene. Out of these two, the more substituted alkene will be called as Zaitsev alkene or Sketchef alkene, which is a more stable alkene. Hence, this will be a major product. The less substituted alkene is called as Hoffman alkene. Any doubt, anyone? Okay. The reactivity order of alkyl halides in dehydrohalogenation is Ri greater than Rbr greater than RCl greater than Rf. This is based on the leaving group, the ability of the leaving group. Hi being strong acid, I minus is weak base. Weaker is the base, better is the leaving group. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमको इनको eliminate और remove करना पड़ रहा है. So the one which is a good leaving group will be eliminated easily. The one which is a poor leaving group there will be difficulty in eliminating it. So सबसे ज़्यादा Ra, Rbr, RCl, Rf. Then based on the substrate, 3 degree can lead to more stable alkene when compared to 2 degree and 1 degree. Hence 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. Okay, this is based on the stability of the alkene formed. Any doubt, anyone? Dehalogenation. Dehalogenation is nothing but removal of halogen. Again, I need to eliminate 2 halogens. The reagent is used is zinc in the presence of ethyl alcohol and heat. Whenever you are doing elimination, in general, you will definitely see delta heat. Okay, elimination के time पे आप लोग हमेशा heat को देखेंगे definitely. If you see heat, then do elimination. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, and you will be taking vicinal dihalide. Geminal dihalide के साथ नहीं हो सकता है. You need to take vicinal dihalide. From alcohols, dehydration. In dehydration, if I want to remove this OH, I cannot remove it easily because OH is a poor leaving group. Why is OH poor leaving group? Because H2O is a weak acid. उसका conjugate base OH minus जो है, it will be a strong base. A weak acid will always have strong conjugate base. A strong acid will always have weak conjugate base. So OH minus being a weak, strong conjugate base, it cannot be removed easily. Okay, if I want to remove it, I need to convert this into a good leaving group. For that, I need to add a catalyst. Hence, the reaction is also called as acid catalyzed dehydration. If I'm adding a catalyst, this will be converting into a good leaving group. Then I can remove this H and H2O to form an alkene. Acid catalyzed dehydration का mechanism भी देखा हमने. It will always follow carbocation mechanism because इसको protonate करते ही H2O जो बनेगा, it is very good leaving group. Immediately बाहर चला जाएगा, leading to the formation of carbocation. And this is the rate determining step. And because I'm converting a more stable compound to a less stable compound, ये neutral है, एक carbocation है, which is less stable. So they will ask you what is the order of dehydration of different compounds. You need to compare based on the stability of the intermediate, which is carbocation. Whenever you have carbocation, you need to always see for the rearrangements. If there is no rearrangement, then you can directly eliminate that hydrogen. If there is rearrangement, first do the rearrangement, then only do the elimination. Okay. Accordingly, you need to form different products, major, minor. बिना elimination करके जो भी product मिलेगा, that can never be formed, even in the minor amounts. Is that clear? Okay. Again, you will be having Hoffman and Zaitsev. Zaitsev will be the major product. Okay. I hope this statement is clear. It is a two-step process. One is protonation of alcohol followed by formation of carbocation and rearrangement if required. And the other step is loss of proton to form the alkene. इसी में हमने ring expansion का भी देखा है. Ring expansion question is very important. Probable question for JEE Mains, NEET and CET. Ring expansion. CET में direct same question भी आ सकता है. Same. CET में classroom में जो भी questions है ना, वो direct आएंगे. Any doubt, anyone, in these questions? This question is important. They will ask which is dehydrated most easily. You should not think यहाँ पे resonance हो सकता है because resonance नहीं होगा. This is multiple bond electronegative atom. This will never give electrons. This will only remove pull electrons. So answer A होगा. One will be dehydrated at a faster rate when compared to 2. Any doubt, anyone? हो गया. those are the preparation methods. Then alkenes ka reactions. What are the characteristic reactions of alkenes?
Addition.
Addition reactions. और एक part भी आप लोग याद रख लेना. They are also called as electrophilic addition reactions. I am calling the characteristic reaction as electrophilic addition because the rate determining step is the addition of electrophile. In the first step, you are adding electrophile leading to the formation of carbocation, which is the rate determining step. As the rate determining step is addition of electrophile, we say the characteristic reaction is electrophilic addition. General हम addition बताएंगे, specific बताना है तो electrophilic addition. Okay. Okay. What you need to remember is, if you are having an alkene, if it is symmetrical, no need for any Markovnikov's rule, anti-Markovnikov's rule, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. If you are having an unsymmetrical alkene and if you are having a symmetrical reagent like H2, Br2, again no need for Markovnikov's or anti-Markovnikov's क्योंकि you are adding the same species. Br attach कर रहे हैं या hydrogen attach कर रहे हैं. Markovnikov's rule will be useful if and only if you are adding an unsymmetrical reagent to an unsymmetrical substrate, unsymmetrical alkene. उस केस में आपको इतना ही करना है. The electrophilic part will be added to carbon bearing higher number of hydrogens. The nucleophilic part will be added to carbon bearing lesser number of hydrogens. And this rule is formed based on the stability of the intermediate, which is carbocation. Sometimes you may not see which is having higher hydrogens, which is having lesser hydrogens. Both of them may have equal number of hydrogens. In that case, go as per the stability of the carbocation formed. पहले आपको electrophile add करना है, carbocation बनेगा. So see for the stability of the carbocation, accordingly mark the product. As per the mechanism, we have introduced the Markovnikov's or anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, that is just a simple technique to understand what will be the major product. If you remember the mechanism or rules, है सब कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. But for boards, they will ask you to specify Markovnikov's rule and you need to mention an example. Boards important question. You will definitely have that boards question. Define Markovnikov's rule with an example. Any doubt? Okay. पहला reaction तो direct है. It is syn addition, also called as Sabatier-Senderens reaction. If you are using a Wilkinson's catalyst, it will be a homogeneous catalysis. Wilkinson's catalyst will be having the rhodium inside it. Exact formula we will be seeing in coordination compounds. Halogenation, anti-addition. The important point of this reaction is it is used as a test for unsaturation. If you are adding Br2, which is reddish brown in color, will be decolorized upon addition onto the alkene. Okay, alkene or alkyne, दोनों के लिए. The nature of the addition is anti-addition. So cis plus anti-addition, you will get racemic mixture. Trans plus anti-addition, you will get meso compound. उतना याद रखना है इसमें. Any doubt? Okay, H2 के साथ it is syn addition. Okay. Then hydrohalogenation. This is an unsymmetrical reagent. पहले H positive add होगा for leading to the formation of carbocation. If the carbocation formed is less stable, do the rearrangements, then only attach X minus. Any doubt? Okay, very good. Mechanism भी आपको पता है. इसमें एक point, if the formed carbocation can have a chiral carbon, मतलब जो carbocation बनेगा, it is sp2 hybridized, which is trigonal planar. On the trigonal planar intermediate, always the attack can be from the top as well as from the bottom. So if you are forming a chiral carbon, the compound will be a racemic mixture. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, good. Order of reactivity based on the stability of the carbocation intermediate that is going to be formed. Again, this is based on the acidic strength. पहले केस में H positive add करना है. The acid which is able to give more and more H positive will decrease the rate of the reaction. Sorry, will increase the rate of reaction. Okay. Any doubt? ठीक है, यहाँ तक किया है हमने. I will post the worksheet. Please solve the worksheet. In the next lecture, we will complete the remaining of the revision and we will solve the questions from hydrocarbons. Okay. Thank you, everyone.